All right, here's the explanation for your project for those of you that were absent today. So, your cell project this week, you are a member of the Eukaryotic Board of Tourism and they need your help. So, right now, this winter is the lowest projected numbers of subcellular travelers. And you're receiving this notice because since you are the owner of a unique, highly renowned subcellular travel destination, and the Eukaryotic Board of Tourism, the EBT, needs your help to promote travel during this upcoming winter travel season by creating a brand new, eye-catching travel presentation that will be placed around your respective organism. If all of the companies can work together, then perhaps we can entice the penny-pinching subcellular beings to take a vacation from their woes. So what you're going to be doing, the objective is you are going to produce a travel presentation that describes a travel destination. And if you've ever been traveling before, you might have went to the main office of a resort, or you've gone to the zoo or Six Flags. And when you get there, you get a little travel brochure. And or when you're at the main office, there might be a big storage unit or storage container that has different brochures that you can grab that they try to get you to go to different locations to where you're visiting. And in that gives you information about where some of the places you might want to go. The zoo gives you a map. It tells you what type of areas you can go to in the zoo and so forth. When we were in person, I would have my students make a travel brochure for this activity, but because we're remote, I'm bringing it to a more digital version. So you guys are going to be creating a travel presentation in Google Slides that's going to describe your travel destination. And you get to choose your destination. This can be a high-class resort, and it can be anywhere around the world. It can be Florida, Alaska, Japan. It can be Russia. It can be Hawaii. Anywhere that you might have been or you may have been interested in going. It can be an amusement park or a water park, a sports arena. But the main thing, whatever location you choose, this is going to be modeled after a plant cell. And you're going to create a presentation to promote people to come to the cell and try to make it fun and interesting. So again, different travel ideas might be a city, an amusement park, water park, sports arena, a school, a museum, shopping mall, prison, resort, Disney World. It could be a video game. I had some students choose Among Us or Minecraft. It can be a TV show. I had somebody choose Big Bang Theory or another TV show that they like. It can be a restaurant. It can be your own creative idea, wherever you may have been or you may have already been. But you get to choose your tourist location. So think of somewhere that you would be interested in going or that you have been before or something that you enjoy and like. You are not allowed to use a factory. All my examples from the last week in learning about the cell organelles and the examples in this project are from a factory. So you are not allowed to choose a factory, but you can choose any other location to compare to. So on this presentation, you're going to be creating a title slide. And you can see on the right-hand side of the slide that you guys can see that there is a description of what you're required to have. You need to name your attraction. I made this factory up. This was my own imagination. So I put on here something like, welcome to the Stefanison Cellular Factory. And then number 2 says, provide images to capture your audience's attention. So you can either copy and paste it from Google Classroom or from Google. And so I might type in cell factory, or I might just type in factory clip art. When you add the word clip art to your search, it's going to give you more of cartoon looking type pictures. If I would have just typed factory, as you can see here, it's not going to show up as, it will show me some cool things, but adding clip art to your search will really try to make you, I believe, to have better options. You can either search it on Google, excuse me, or you can go to this insert image, search from the web, and you can search different images here. You can type factory clip art, and it will pop up, and you can drag that into your slide. But again, you're going to provide images that's going to capture your audience's attention. The third requirement is that you are going to have a catchy slogan. The plant is the best oxygen-making factory in the world. Then you're going to give a brief description. Come to the Stefanison Cellular Factory. It's one of the top-rated plants in the world, efficient and proficient in making the finest oxygen supply. You can see that you are also going to have relationships to the organelle. Look at my next video for that information. I had to make 2 videos, you guys.